Sabella Spallanzanii is a species of marine polychaete worms in the family Sabellidae. Common names include the Mediterranean fanworm, the feather duster worm, the European fanworm and the pencil worm. It is native to shallow waters in the northeastern Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean Sea. European fanworms grow to a total length of 4 to 16 inches and are usually larger in deep water. They have stiff, sandy tubes formed from hardened mucus secreted by the worm which protrude from the sand, and a two-layered crown of feeding tentacles which can be retracted into the tube. One of the layers forms a distinct spiral. The color of the tentacles is variable, but they are usually banded in orange, purple and white, or they may be a uniform pale gray. Various epiphytic organisms settle and grow on the tubes, which may be rather wrinkled near their bases. It is found at depths down to 98 feet and is found in nutrient-rich waters in sheltered locations where there are no strong currents and little wave action. It grows on soft sediments or anchors itself to rocks, mollusk shells, jetties, pontoons or other solid surfaces. The European fanworm is a filter feeder and feeds on bacteria, zooplankton, phytoplankton and suspended particles of organic matter. Individual worms are either male or female and liberate gametes into the sea. A large female can produce up to 50,000 eggs during the breeding season. The larvae are planktonic and settle to the seabed after about 2 weeks, metamorphosis taking place some 10 days later. The European fanworm is a rather successful organism whose larvae can easily disperse to new locations. As an invasive species and a filter feeder, it competes with native species and with farmed oysters and mussels for food. Its presence in an area can alter water flows and sedimentation. The European fanworm is able to bioaccumulate bacteria and has a profound effect on the marine bacterial environment. Microbes build up in the worm and are present at much higher concentrations in its tissues than in the surrounding water, and this means the worm can be used as a bioindicator. It is efficient at filtering out Vibrio spp bacteria that are pathogenic to fish and shellfish and can cause foodborne illness in man. It can also potentially be used for remediation of polluted water near sewage outlets. It first appeared in New Zealand in 2008 and is regarded as a pest. While in Australia it is regarded as an invasive species. It has spread to various other parts of the world and is included on the Global Invasive Species database maintained by the IUCN.